Suppose I wanted to enter this number into the calculator in scientific notation. Now, I already know from what we've already done that this should be 6.02 times 10 to the 6th in scientific notation. So how do I type that in? Well, when we typed it in Excel just now, we used E notation. And I said 6.02E stands for times 10 to the 6th. So you just write the number part in E and then the exponent to enter scientific notation in there. Now, it works almost the same way on a calculator. The calculator knows about E notation too, but instead of E, it uses this key here, which says EE. So if I type something like 6.02 and hit the EE key, and then 6, that should work. Let's try it. 6.02 EE 6. Now there's the number up in the display. Notice it looks a little different from what I would write out. It doesn't show the times 10 to the part. It just shows the number and then the exponent. Now that does not mean 6.02 to the 6th power. That's something completely different. It means 6.02 times 10 to the 6th. And it expects you to put in the times 10 to the yourself when you're reading that off. Now you can flip back and forth between a couple of different modes on a scientific calculator. There's a floating point mode, FLO, which is not in scientific notation. So it'll change your display back to the original number. Let's give it a try. Since that's above the key, I have to hit the second key first. Second FLO. And notice it changed it back to the original number. If I want to get the scientific notation back, I can use the SCI key here. Second SCI. And I'm back in scientific notation. And notice that there's a little indicator up there, SCI, that shows all the work that I do after this will be in scientific notation as well until I turn that off. So get comfortable with scientific notation on your calculator and in Excel because we'll be using it for the rest of the semester.